Hello everybody, in this video we will create image carousel for product images data we fetched in previous videos. So let's start with typing our data. Let's go to our fragment first and create export type media gallery item type with fields from our fragment. Sublet is boolean, label is string, position is number, and euro is also string. Restart our flow server. Okay, and type for our product details query response type also product details type so response type will contain products with total count, which is number, and items, which is array of product details type. And product details type contain ID, number, SKU string, name string, and media gallery is array of media gallery item type. Import from our fragment file. Okay, looks good, and now we can return our product details from use product details hook. So we can add type here, product details response type, so our response become this product details response type. And now we can add product detail, let's name it just product data, and set product data, use state use product product details type, and by default it will be null. Let's import use state and import product details type. Since it's null, it shows error. It should be optional type here. Okay, some ESLint errors. Reformat it with prettier, and let's set product data as response product items first item. Let's make it with optional chain operator, so if one of these object non-exist, it will just set undefined to set product data. And let's return product data. Sorry, product details type. Actually, loading will be from response object. And product data complain, because we should make it also optional, because by default it's null. Okay, looks good. Let's go to our product details screen. Import product data here. And let's show loading indicator for our loading state. If loading, let's return view with activity indicator. So activity indicator size large, view, let's make it flex and center. Looks good. Let's take a look if it works. Okay, you see there is no items. I think there is some error with Apollo cache, like some issue. So let's set default option, watch query, fetch policy, no cache for now, and we will back to it later. So yeah, without cache, you see it's loading fine. And yeah, we see loading indicator when we go to the product screen. Okay, now we can start creating our media gallery component. New component, media gallery. We'll use FlatList here. And we need some props. Type props items will be array of media gallery item type. So items props. let's so product data, media gallery, or if it's non-exist, then just empty array. Let's remove center so it will be on top. So can input data now. It will be items. Okay, extractor. I think it will be just based on index, media gallery, index, and render item. Let's create render item function. Which will receive item object which contain item and index with type item and index number, and let's return view which contain image, image source will be URI item URL, style will be width constant screen width, and height the same. Let's make it square for now. And resize mode, let's put contain. Okay, let's take a look. And you see we have 3 images rendered. Now we want to make it horizontal. We don't want to see scroll indicator. False. Yep. Let's enable paginated. Good. Maybe let's add background color white. Sorry. Loading stack. No. Why? Maybe something with my internet connection or Magento server. Okay, it works now. And what else? Maybe let's add slide indicator. So view and text. Import text. Let's make it absolute. I want it top right with padding 5 and margin 5 as well. Maybe background gray 30, color white for text, and let's hard code some text here for now, and let's take a look. Okay, yeah, want border radius as well, and maybe more padding horizontally. Maybe 10, and padding vertically. Yeah, much better now. And we want to calculate current slide for FlatList. We can use on Magento scroll end. So it will be a function which receive event. Let's current page and set current page state. So FlatList reads event layout. Okay, let me take a look in my notes. Event native event. I will just copy it. Event and layout width. And current number will be mass floor content offset divided on the width +1, and set current page current number. And here we can use our values now. So here will be items length and current page here. Let's take a look. And you see it's changing now. I don't know, maybe some, okay, it's 20 here. And you can see it works now. Okay, that's it for now. We will continue in the next video.